Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to tip on Lyft app. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in a Lyft application on my phone and this is how it look like once you open the app. So right here we have two sections. As you can see guys, in the bottom you can see rides and also trips. From here, you can either schedule a ride or you can add your calendar from Google Calendars. And right here in the top right corner, you're going to find this icon. If you click on it, you're going to find a lot of options. The first one is your profile. You can click on View Profile. And from here, you can see your profile, your account settings also. You can see your infos, if you want to set up a business profile, family, my riders, and linked accounts. You can also go back and then from here you're gonna find notifications, free rides, ride history, rewards, payments, gift cards, donate, help, settings, and drive with Lyft. So basically guys, if you want to tip on a Lyft app, go ahead and click on the rewards. And then once you're here, scroll all the way down until you find send a ride credit. Go ahead and click on it and then wait for this page to load. Once it's loaded, you're gonna find this message saying manage your ride credits. Tap on a ride credit to review its detail or cancel it. Ready to make someone's day, create and share a new ride credit. You can either choose active or old rides. Choose any ride that you want and then you can send it from here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.